What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining. In today's video I'm going to be showing you 6 best apps and websites where you can actually make real money just by taking online surveys. Now there are dozens of market research companies out there that recruit new members every now and then to participate in their online surveys, all right, in exchange for cash reward, voucher and gift cards. These are ways you can earn passive income online. You can actually make money by taking survey. What I mean make money, like passive income, all right? You can earn extra money by taking surveys, right? So online. If you're that person that's been looking for, you've been searching for websites or apps where you can actually make real money, like you tried different apps but you're not making money by taking survey, and you're looking for real apps and websites where you can actually earn money by taking surveys, then ensure you stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you the websites and the apps that I know of that you can actually use to make money by taking the amount of money you make by taking survey depends on the amount of time you are willing to put into participating in the survey. You can earn more, you can earn less. It all depends on the time factor. Some companies pay less than $1 per survey, some pay $1 per survey, and some pay more than $1 per survey. All right, it depends on the structure of the survey offered by the company. So if this is what interests you, make sure you stick around to the end of this video. All right, and if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinewan Violet. On this channel I share different ways on how to make money online. So I believe that you want to make money online, you want to earn passive income, or know how to make money online. Make sure you join the family by subscribing to this channel and turn on your notification bell beside this so that you get notified anytime a new video is up on my channel. All right, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Now without further ado, let me take you to my screen to show you this website. Hopefully you can check them out and start making use of them. Now let's go to my laptop. The first website that can pay you to take survey on their site is called GraphPoints. GraphPoints is available on both Android and Apple, and also has an app. Okay, it also has an app, so you can also go to Google Play Store and download their app and also use. All right, so there are different tasks you can perform on GraphPoints, not just answer surveys, but if you want to make money by on this website, you need to participate in taking surveys. All the tasks offered on this site, survey pays more. So you can answer surveys and earn. You can click on view all and you see all the surveys. All right, click on view all, you can see all the surveys. Now you can earn 1,000 points for completing your demographic. This is because I have not completed my profile. Okay, I have not completed my profile. So once you sign up, okay, when you sign up, I'm going to be leaving all the links. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description. When you sign up, you'll be asked to complete your profile. So you need to complete your profile. When you complete your profile, you earn 1,000 points for completing your profile or your demographic. All right, and it increases your chances of qualifying for survey. So you have more surveys when you complete your profile, because other ways you can also make money on GraphPoints. You can make money by watching videos, by attempting other offers like playing games and answering quizzes. All right, but the most paying of all is survey. If you want to make more, you need to answer surveys, answer some questions. Okay, but first you need to complete your profile. So make money on this site by referring people. When you invite your friends, your families, your well-wishers, your neighbors, on this site, GrabPay also pay you. You can receive your reward through gift cards and cash. Once you earn $5, you can withdraw your money via PayPal. Okay, the website that will pay you to participate or to fill in survey online is called Ysense. Ysense is also available on Android and also on Apple, and it has an app as well. You can download the app and it will be easy for you to have access to surveys and other activities you can perform on Ysense outside taking survey. But like I said, if you want to make money from these apps, taking survey is the highest paying task. All right, so if you want to make more, you need to take surveys. All right, you can play games, but you make as much as you make from survey. Okay, from taking surveys. So you can see here complete surveys. Let's click on that and let's see. All right, so you can see all the surveys that they have. Okay, complete surveys and earn cash. You can earn, this survey is offering 75 cents. This one is offering 40 cents in dollars. Okay, this is offering 40 cents, 35 cents, 14 cents. So you can actually choose the survey you want, and you can give it a try. Okay, now it's not guaranteed that you will make money after completing this task or answering the survey. It's not a guarantee, because some of them will, it depends on the information you're imputing, depends on the information you're giving them. If it doesn't match to your profile, or if it doesn't match with your profile, you will not get paid. Okay, they will cut off the survey, you won't get paid. All right, so you have to make sure that you're giving out the right information, and also take your time to go through the survey. Don't rush it, because that is how they will cut you off and you will not get paid for taking the survey. You can also participate in daily pool. This daily pool is every day. You earn 0.01 when you participate. Like I've earned 0.01, okay, for participating. You just have to answer, is like a survey. You just answer one question and you earn 0.001. All right, so you can attempt other offers. You can see YSense offers here. These are YSense offer. So these are the offers. These are other offers as well. Okay, you can go through them. This is click and earn every day. You can click this. So you can also earn by referring people. So you have friends, you have family, you have well-wishers that want to earn money, passive income or extra money. You can refer them to YSense. You can get your, click on affiliate here, and you can get your referral link, and you can share a link to them. Ways you can cash out your money, or you can cash out via Amazon. Okay, these are rewards. Okay, these are gift cards. You can cash out through Payoneer. You can cash out through PayPal. Now, if you don't have Payoneer account, if you don't have PayPal account, I've made a video on how to create your account, PayPal account and Payoneer account. I'm going to be leaving the link also in the description, so you can go and check it out and create yours if you don't have PayPal or Payoneer account. The third website that can pay you for taking survey online is Timebox. I made a separate video on Timebox. Okay, I'm also going to be leaving the link in the description. Okay, so for Timebox, you can earn in different ways. You can earn by taking survey. So I'm going to be leaving, don't worry, I'm going to be leaving a link to all these websites in the description, so you can easily access them. Okay, you can easily check them out. Okay, and sign up and start earning that passive income. All right, so these are the surveys here. You can earn surveys. These are surveys, guys. These are surveys. Okay, you can see all these people have completed tasks. These are people completing tasks every single day on Timebox. These are people completing tasks, earning 500 cents. Okay, these are people completing tasks, guys. All right, so you can also do yours. So wherever you are, you're in Nigeria, you are in South Africa, you are in, you're in Africa, you can actually sign up and start making money. You're in US, Canada, Australia. Timebox is worldwide. All right. It also has an app as well. You can download the app and also use the app as well. All right. So it's available on Apple and on Android. All right. So when you sign up, it will bring you to this dashboard, and to perform tasks, all you need to do is go to dashboard to bring you to. These are all the tasks, daily goal checklist. So you can complete a full survey from the survey tab. Okay, you can complete 3 push clicks. So these are tasks you can perform on this site, but we are talking about survey, right? The survey is one of the highest paying. All right, so you can click on complete a full survey from the survey tab. Click on that. So these are all the surveys available on Timebox. Okay, these are all the surveys. You can click start. You can start taking the surveys. These are all the surveys. All right, these are all the surveys, and you can see how much they're paying for. You can see the survey is highest paying. You see how much you can earn. All these ones varies, it depends. Okay, you can see how much you can earn. This is paying 0.750 cents. This is paying 0.875 cents. These are high paying surveys, guys. Almost, this is paying $1 per survey. There are other tasks you can perform from this website as well. You can watch videos, you can watch ads. I made a separate video on Timebox. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. Okay, so you can also watch the video and you can see different ways you can make money on Timebox. All right, you can cash out via PayPal, via bank transfer, wire transfer, Bitcoin, Litecoin. You can cash out via virtual card. Also, before you cash out, you have to verify your ID. All right. Now, the fourth website that can pay you to take survey is called Swapbox. Okay, Swapbox is another website that can pay you to take survey. There are other ways you can also make money by referring a friend. You also make money by taking the survey. Now, when you sign up on Swapbox, you'll be asked to complete your profile so that you can have more surveys. If you take this survey, this particular survey here, it gives you earn 5 Swapbox. When you refer a friend, you earn 10% for life. So you can refer a friend and earn 10% for life, right? You can also take other offers like playing games. Okay, when you play game, you earn 3,000 Swapbox. All right, when you deposit and trade on crypto.com, you earn 15,000 Swapbox. Right, so you can answer a survey, and you can earn up to 200 Swapbox. Okay, you can see these are surveys. Okay, welcome to Swapbox Answers. Get free gift card for answering surveys and influencing brands. Take your first survey and earn 5 Swapbox in about 5 minutes. So you just click on go now. All right, you can also answer daily polls. It's a survey, you just answer, you earn 1 Swapbox. So these are different offers you can perform on Swapbox. Okay, these are offers from our trusted partners. You can click on all this and you can participate and you can earn money on Swapbox, and you can earn cash or coupon. Okay, the fifth website that can pay you to take survey is called a Price Rebel. Price Rebel, when you sign up in Price Rebel, you need to complete your profile as well. For me, I've not completed my profile. I'm going to do that off camera. You can take surveys, you can earn by taking surveys and also participating in other offers. There are lots of surveys. Like I said, taking survey is one way you can make more, okay, from these websites. All right, taking survey pays more than other tasks. All right, so you can click on take survey and you'll see more surveys. You get rewarded with gift cards and PayPal and cash. All right, so you can cash out when you've achieved 500 points. Okay, you can cash out $5 to your PayPal account. All right, also they have Amazon gift card. You can cash out with Amazon gift card as well. The sixth website that can pay you to take survey is called the Market Agents. To fill up the form, you sign up, you'll be asked to complete your profile. So I'm going to do this off camera. I've not completed my profile yet. So like I said, completing your profile, increases your chances of getting more tags, more surveys. So this is where you click on current survey. If you're looking for surveys, you click on current surveys. You can see surveys. Your opinion is requested on the following topics. So these are actually surveys. You click on them and you can answer, you can give your answers, okay, because your opinion counts. This is where you share your opinions. All right. Market Agents is where you share your opinion, okay, and you make money. You share your opinion by answering surveys. You make money. All right. So to find surveys, you can click on current surveys, but first you have to complete your profile. You can see my profile is not completed yet, because completing your profile actually increases your chances of getting more surveys that matches your profile. All right, so I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to complete my profile off camera. Okay, so you can also make money from this site by referring your friend, your family, your relative, your neighbor to this site to make money, okay, to answer surveys, and they also get paid and you get paid as well. All right, if you've tried any of the websites or the apps I mentioned in this video, let me know in the comment section. All right, I also want to hear from you. And if you're yet to give them a try and you're willing to try them out, you can use the link down in the description to sign up and start using them to make money, to earn money by taking surveys. If you're watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.